Do not use this thing.
Stop it.
What up? It's your boy, the Dash and Trade, and today we got a special video for you today. I got 5 secrets that Doordash does not want you to know. Check this out. So, DoorDash hides tips. Everybody knows that. But check this out. Do you know that DoorDash even hides tips on stacked orders? So if you got 2 orders, DoorDash will send you a stacked order, right? That's 2 orders at the same time. They will hide tips on both of those orders. Or better yet, sometimes they will even tip bait you and make you think that there's a tip on both of those orders, and there's not. So that's a little secret right there. You gotta watch out. Following up on that, here's another secret. Did you know that when you get those stacked orders, you can unassign one of those orders? Example, say you get an order, 1050, 2 stops, right? You can unassign one of those orders and see which one has the low tip, or better yet, the no tip, kick it to the curb and go on with the good order. So what I like to do is, if I see an order that's, 12 bucks or less, I take that no tip order, unassign it, and I wait for a better order to roll through. Then I end up with 2 orders with possibility for hidden tips, and I maximize on my earnings. Damn! Next secret. Lowball offers, you can go ahead and decline those. For all my newbies out there, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret right now. All those lowball offers you get, you can decline those, because I'm gonna let you know right now. Acceptance rate, that does not matter at all. So you can hang that up. You can go ahead and just keep on moving with that, because that does not even matter. They try to play these games and make you feel like it's real important. Listen, I'm here to tell you, acceptance rate does not matter. Completion rate does. Acceptance rate? Nah. Alrighty, so newbies. Those hotspot areas that they send you and they refer you to go to, don't trust it. Don't think just because you go to those areas that you're gonna get consistent orders all day. It doesn't work like that. Hotspots are unreliable, okay? They mostly oversaturated because all the beginners rush to those areas and think that they're gonna get great orders or orders consistently all day long. Doesn't work like that. Go by the restaurants that get a lot of orders. Whatever that may be in your market. For me, it's McDonald's, Chick-fil-A. The restaurants, they can get those orders churning out quickly. Those are the places you want to post up at. And so for my final little secret, if you get a stacked order and say you make a mistake, say you pull up to one of the places and they tell you we got a 20-minute wait.
2 hours later.
So you got 2 options. You can either wait there for 20 minutes, or you can go to your other delivery and grab that one first. So what I would do is I would go into the app, mark order not ready. It's gonna be a little minute. Busy staff, drive through busy, staff not ready. Whatever you gotta mark so that you don't get a contract violation. Because if you end up being 10, 15 minutes late, now you at risk for having a contract violation. So you better off marking something in the app to avoid that. Bonus secret, do not use this thing. Okay, do not use this. This is a waste of time. I'm not playing, do not use it.